Well, I think we got this thing back together. New feeder house on it. We bought a feeder house and replaced it. We're gonna take this head off and see if we can see on the inside, and then test her out. See if the thing blows apart or not. That sounds bad. That does not sound good.